This video covers key topic number 8 in our workshop, protecting your assets in case you have to go into a nursing home. Remember, I recommend you watch these topics in order to get the most out of the workshop. Our next segment is key number 8, understanding the real costs. Key number 8 to saving your assets and creating an estate plan is knowing the costs, and that usually means knowing the real costs. What are the costs? Or they can be monetary versus personal. How much is the plan? But what happens if there is no plan or a bad plan? And many times it can be an issue of feeling better versus having real results. Documents versus planning. As I mentioned earlier, Joe Smith, the attorney that did your friend's DUI, might be able to have some forms and pull up a will or two for you, but are they going to be able to really sit down and look at your situation and create a comprehensive plan that's going to help protect your assets and maximize what happens to your stuff after you die? Many times it can be the difference between standard versus personalized, having an actual plan that meets your situation. Of course, everyone always wants to know, how much is this going to cost? Well, every situation is different, but as a general rule, any plan that I've ever done has cost less than a month in a nursing home. So, how do you use these keys? After watching this workshop series, you need to go ahead and plan when you can. This workshop covers a lot, but what really applies to you? There's only one way to discover that. You should take advantage of our free consultation with no obligation. In 1 hour, I will help you identify what's important and provide options for you to consider. To schedule your free consultation, please call and mention that you watched this workshop. Thank you for watching this workshop. I know that we've put a lot of information in front of you in a relatively short period of time, but that's why we're available and happy to answer any questions that you have. I'm attorney Bruce Brightwell, and I look forward to hearing from you.